For the technical challenge, the bakers will be making a buttercream and strawberry jam vanilla cake.
Let's just hope these guys don't mess up like during the signature challenge.
The worst baker shall be publicly executed!
That's not how this works.
But
I've already looked ahead and I see myself receiving the highest praise in conquering this challenge. My fellow contestants shall not be knowing what has hit them. Cut the tape, cut the tape. Shira, that's the sugar! Hey! Oh my eyes! My eyes! Cleos, I need the chocolate! We're not making a chocolate cake! I've already made an entire chocolate sheet cake! There's gotta be at least one cooking spell. Dang it, the spell requires a banana to be cast. Nah, I'll just bake it normally.
My name is Sasha, the most versatile maid of my king's land. I can clean the castle in under 3 minutes. I fought off all intruders. Making culinary delights is simply child's play that I will triumph over. Prince Eros appreciates my talents. If he didn't, then I have failed my purpose. I am Sasha, the greatest maid of my time.
I didn't do it on purpose. It's pretty though. Do I need to put this out? Cause I'm not doing that.
Dare awaken me! Contestants, you have literally 30 seconds left.
and then the pains have begun!
Sure, and yeah, the pain can begin, why not?
Is that a loaf of bread? We're not making that! Wait, what is a vanilla?
Contestants, time's up! Please bring your bakes to the judges' table.
So you may be judged before the gods!
That's inedible. Also, inedible. That one is currently trying to crawl away. It would probably be edible if it didn't have shards of glass in it. That one's alright. But I really don't want you to win. That is entirely not what we asked you to bake. This one! This is the winner! You shall be hired in a 3-star Michelin restaurant, and your name shall go down in history as one of the best bakers to ever live. Come forth!
I win!